Want some?
Liam. You want a little bit?
Oh no.
Is that good? You want some more? You want some more?
He's being real calm now, wouldn't you know? Ooh.
Oh. Yeah. Is that good?
Is that good stuff?
Oh, is that good? Yeah.
Get indigestion here.
Gotta hold still.
Where are you going?
He's gonna
Huh?
go see if
Where are you
Mom's
going?
got some.
Yeah? Where are you going? He says, I don't know, you're pointing something at me.
Oh, you're gonna try to stand? You want some more? You want some more?
There we go.
You gotta hold still.
There we go.
Are you gonna go off and do something else? Are you gonna go play?
He goes, I don't want to go too far from the food, though.
You want some more? It's good stuff, huh?
Is it good?
Nom 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 nom. Yeah. You're really excited about that stuff, huh? Did you want me to get another one ready to go? Oh, that's a big bite.
He's like all wiggly.
Oh, no, you gotta watch out for your tongue.
Ooh, is that good stuff? Is that good stuff? Yeah.
So excited. So excited. Liam.
That's a beef. Let's see what she's eating. Beef burrito.
A beef burrito.
Beef and cheese burrito. Is that good? Huh? Yeah. So good. Oh. Can I have the whole thing?